everyone, it's 11:30 in the evening. I'm on my way to my work, not to my normal tram depot. I go to the other tram depot Deurne. And the reason why I'm on my way to work is because I have to do a snow shift. Yeah, a snow shift. We had a little bit of snow and they also expect tonight some more snow. It's also freezing. And then they start the snow shifts in Antwerp. This is the repair zone of the tram depot of Deurne, Antwerp. I'm gonna ask for a tram to do my shift. Ooh, this is my tram for tonight. Oh yeah. Now this is a very unique situation because I got a big tram, the Siemens tram. Normally for snow shifts we got those very good old PCC trams, but in this tram depot they have none of them. So they gave me this one. It could also be a Flexity tram, but they don't trust it too much in this kind of weather. And if something happens, it's easier to work on these trams than the Flexity trams. So I have my tram. It's warm inside. That's a good thing because the old trams, they are very nice to drive or to ride with, but they can be very cold inside. Even with the heating on, they can be very cold, but really very cold. So I'm happy with this one. It's warm, it's nice. I had radio contact with my dispatch, so they know I'm on the road. I have this tram and I can reach them if it's necessary all night long, but I hope of course that it's not necessary. So let's hope it's gonna be a very quiet and nice night. I have a very big tour I have to do tonight. I think I go to most of the points in Antwerp or something. I also go to the underground system for a little bit to get on the other side of certain lines where I have to ride with this tram. So it's gonna be yeah, it's gonna be a nice ride. So everyone, that was the snow shift in Antwerp. Sadly enough, no fresh snow anymore in Antwerp. I want a lot of snow. But yeah, maybe next time or something. Don't forget to check out my Instagram account, Tram Antwerp, because I have a lot of photos from this night. Most of the photos are taken with my drone. So check it out for this and for all my photos about trams. So go to my Instagram channel, Tram Antwerp, and enjoy everything about trams. Time to go home now. Bye.